What's up guys, Babatunde Omotao here. So today's video we'll be talking about the Oraimo LumiGo. This is Oraimo Touch or Oraimo emergency light that you can buy from Oraimo eShop website, and this guy comes with features like up to 10 hours light for emergency. I bought this just because of the epileptic power supply in my area. Fine, we are on band A, but sometimes when they start or when the transformer starts its own issues, 2 days we won't have light at all. So I need this just for, maybe going to backyard or going somewhere. Without wasting much of our time, let's talk about what this guy has to offer in the box. Maybe in subsequent videos, I will make the full review. Let's get down to business. So the first thing you are going to see on this guy is the product itself here. And by the side, you can see it says multifunctional usage. You can use it as wall mount, as in putting it on the wall, stand, or carry. It has 300 lumen brightness, 2 adjustable brightness level, and built to last. Keep exploring, sold in 60+ countries, trusted by 200 million+ users and the rest. And the back here is this same product image. And by the other side, you are going to see Oraimo Authentication Center here with Scan Oraimo Store, if you want to scan that. And here are the spec for this guy. In case you care for that, you can pause the video and see it. The battery capacity is 3,600 milliamperes. And the input charging is 5 volts to 1.2 amps. Rated wax is 6 wax. Please use 10 wax adapter to charge this guy up or less. Okay, so it says charging time is just 4 to 5 hours, and that is that. Actually, it comes with 2 pieces in dawn white color, which you can see written here. Some people said it's just only one. So let's unbox it. On the Oraimo eShop website, this guy goes for how much? 31,900 naira. Remember to use the discount code bracket and you are going to get it at a cheaper rate. Thank you for using the discount code, and let's continue with the video. First thing you are going to be greeted with is the cable, a long cable to charge up your 2 touch lights. Remove this and you can see it's a bit long. Just find a charger head like this one from Oraimo. This charger head, this is 10 wax adapter. Plug it to it and you can use it to charge up this guy. Remove this styrofoam and you will have some other stuffs in it. I think the remaining is packing like this. So you see the welcome guide in the box. So you can go through that just to get yourself familiar with this guide. You can see the welcome guide. It comes with USB A to C charging cable, and it shows you how you can use it, product specifications, user scenario, and other languages, Arabic and French. So that is that. And here is the product themselves. It's not really that big. It's just one small one in plastic bags. Here is it. First of all, let's use one. So here is it, as you can see. And this is the seal. You can remove it before you start using it. And turn it on. Wow, it's really, really bright. I didn't expect it to be that bright. This is the low bright. And this is the brightness, the highest brightness. And low bright. And switch off. So it has just 3 levels. First one is off. Second one is low brightness and high brightness. That's all. And at the back here, you can see the specs of this guy here. Okay, just as I said earlier, same specs. Here is where you are going to charge it up. Here is where you are going to charge it up. That is the Type-C port. And you can use this hook to hang it on the wall. You can also use it to hang it on something. It also has this back here that you can use to hang it to nail, on the wall and something like that. It's a very good one. Underneath it is nothing, just like a stand for it to stand well. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Same applies to the second one. Remove the seal tape before use. You can see it says seal tape, remove before use. So you have to remove it before you use it. And here is where you are going to see that it is charging. If you want to know how it's charged, you can check that in the user manual or wait for my full review. I'm going to, share more about it. Is it lasting? And if you have any other thing you want to know about it, let me know. This doesn't come with radio because some of you think it comes with radio. No radio on this guy, just an emergency light, okay? Emergency torch. And I like how Oraimo made it. It looks nice, not really heavy. And I know anything Oraimo make, they always put the best in it. Thank you for watching. That will be all for this video. If you have any question, drop it down there in the comment section and I'll reply. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel so that I can get more informations on Oraimo products. Bracket is the discount code. Bye for now. Peace.